Tired of shoulders that disappear in a shirt? We're diving deep into progressive overload for lateral deltoid growth, transforming those weak points into powerful, cap delts. First, let's talk exercises. Dumbbell lateral raises are your bread and butter. Aim for 34 sets of 10-15 reps. Focus on controlled movements. Avoid swinging. Imagine pouring water from a pitcher at the top of the movement to maximize lateral delt activation. Remember to use a full range of motion. Next up, cable lateral raises. The constant tension from the cable is a game changer again. 34 sets of 10-15 reps. Position yourself so the cable pulls from across your body, further emphasizing lateral deltoid engagement. Keep your core tight and your body stable. Seated lateral raises. By removing the ability to use momentum from your legs, you force the lateral deltoids to do all the work. This variation is extremely beneficial for hypertrophy. Perform 34 sets of 12-15 repetitions. Now, the key to progressive overload: start with a weight that allows you to hit your target rep range with good form. Once you can comfortably perform all sets and reps, it's time to increase the weight. Don't make huge jumps. Use microplates to add small increments. Even half a pound can make a difference. Also, consider increasing your reps slightly before increasing the weight. Tracking your workouts is crucial. Note down the weight, reps, and sets you perform each session. This allows you to objectively measure your progress and strategically plan your overload. Consistently adding weight or reps over time is what drives muscle growth. Remember to be patient. Results take time and consistency, but if you follow this progressive overload plan, you'll build impressive lateral deltoids.